Did you know, as a Lincoln Electric customer, you have 24/7 access to our entire product line and the ability to manage your organization's account right from your desktop? Well, you do with a MyLincoln account. MyLincoln is a convenient and easy-to-use web portal that gives you real-time access to valuable information, resources, and enables you to manage your business transactions online with ease. Whether you're ordering products, checking price and availability, tracking orders, or looking for supplemental materials, MyLincoln is your pathway to an even better welding and fabricating experience. And MyLincoln is for everyone: your management team, purchasing, sales, and your service department. As your trusted partner, you can order everything you need from MyLincoln, your best resource to order machines and accessories, filler metals, welding gear and safety equipment, cutting equipment, replacement parts, and even automation systems. With convenient access from anywhere, you can take advantage of MyLincoln's enhanced inventory visibility. MyLincoln displays your pricing, current inventory levels, and expected availability dates for made-to-order products. MyLincoln offers hassle-free ordering and reordering of frequently used products. Easy-to-use customized shopping lists can also be created. In addition, you can access informational resources such as product literature, product specifications, certificate of conformance, safety documents, and more. Using MyLincoln makes it easy for you to save time, resources, and allows you to be more productive. After your order is submitted, it will be quickly processed and shipped to you from one of our regional distribution centers. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 to do business with Lincoln Electric. All the same quality, performance, and service you expect from us, available 24/7 on MyLincoln. Fast, easy, online.